Today in Tech Talk 101 SD. YouTube theme that can make YouTube look and feel unique. The GitHub link is given in the description. Now click on the extension link and add the extension to your Chromium-based browser. After the extension is added, open that and go to Setting by the gear icon. Then on Custom CSS and JavaScript. Copy CSS and JavaScript from the web page, paste them, and save. Then whenever you open YouTube you will be presented with a unique theme. Hope you guys enjoy it and consider subscribing for more videos like this.